everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla and I am the course instructor for this Generative AI for Java web developers. Yes, this course is added relevant to the Generative AI skills to learn Java technologies using Java programming and web technologies or JSP, Servlets, using Eclipse IDE, which is these tools are open source technologies only, and Apache Tomcat as a web server, and MySQL database, which is the most popular relational database management system, which is going to be added advantage for this course. So using all these, we are going to adding more advantages for creating and building web applications using generative AI like a ChatGPT tools. So getting an information like a source code, how to integrate directly to the project, and also step-by-step process to continue to creating a real-world web applications. I'm going to showing you in this course. Hope you inside the course. Welcome here to use this online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos complete program. Learn at any time, anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system. Make sure to apply your practical exercises. How to get help? Check your knowledge using documents. For instance, quick help Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques, and also use to apply generative AI tools. I have used ChatGPT tool to creating and generating a source code. The same way how to approach and how to prompting you will learn and apply. Submit your questions on QA forum detail. What you have tried with the screenshot. Yes, we are ready to help you all the time. How to approach the course? The best way to approach the course is to review videos with practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with extra notebook information practiced by you, and take a notes to approach step-by-step process to apply in a practical way. Review certain information by reading examples parts of video sessions, and you apply the modules or part-wise sessions. Thanking you.